So Ride the Wind now has Evoque brand. We are very excited. This is called their Stinger Plus. This thing's pretty incredible, scooter style. It's a 72 volt. It only comes in lithium, a 30 amp hour for $34.49 or a 50 amp hour for $44.49. Distance is gonna be 60 to 80 kilometers on the 30 and well over 100 on that 50 amp. So if any food delivery or distance, this is the bike. We did a video of it at night. The lights are just incredible. The screen is huge. My husband really loves this bike. It's so torquey. It's limited to 32, but it's just so fun. It's so fun and it fits all sorts of people. So I'm 5'3", and I just sit up closer to the front of the seat if I want to have my feet flat. And then the farther back you go in the seat, your feet aren't as flat. But you can adjust these handlebars a little bit if you want. But he's 6'4", and just the width of the handlebars, the seat's super comfortable. You got lots of room. Like, this is more comfortable than the Emo Zoomy that you were on. Any of those.
When you move the handlebar, it
doesn't hit. Yeah. I would change up these arms. I don't like those. But you can get it in 3 different formats. You can get the rear seat, or the delivery carrier, or the storage box in between the legs. And that's why you kind of have these pegs that are here. They come with, oh, it's got reverse. Holy smokes. Oh, what's R? Oh, it does. Oh, you have to hold it.
Oh.
That's cool. I like that.
Yeah.
Yep. 3.5 by 10 tires. No, I lied. They're 12. They're 12, which is actually really nice too, because the other scooters are that's why I assumed it was 3.5. No, it's 12, which you only get on motorcycles with Emo. Fit and finish is beautiful.
Battery.
Yeah, let's show the battery. Battery's removable. And in order to get to the seat, you turn the key to the left. So this opens up here. This is your removable battery. This is the big one, the 50. You turn the breaker off, which is underneath here. Just on this other side, you want to take that battery, that breaker, turn it off. Then you can take your Anderson clips. Now this 50 amp battery is going to be almost 50 pounds. I can do it because I'm hella strong. And so if you live in a condo or something like that, and you need to take your battery in to get charged, the 30 amp is going to be about 30 pounds. But yeah, this is a pretty heavy sucker. But hey, you can remove it and you can do it all by yourself. Not gonna lie, I felt that in the shoulders. There, you just push it in. If you could see that, you get it lined up and then you push it in. USB charger. The lighting, like at night, is amazing. Even during the day, if the sun's on it, you can see it pretty well, which is a bit of a challenge in a lot of the bikes. But when you turn on the signals, it shows you on your screen. See that? Can you see that from there? That's pretty cool, right? And it has a P, so when you turn it on, you don't have a throttle. And to take that P off, just hit the brake, and then off you go. I don't like the mirrors on it. I can tell you, I freaking hate the mirrors. So if you buy, we'll swap out the mirrors for you at no charge. It's not bad. Oh, ha! Oh, and there's your 3-speed. We don't know the top speed on it, but I'm pretty sure it's well over 55. Just saying. Anyways, it really is something to see in person. The fit and finish is beautiful. Alarm system, of course, that's all standard, but it's just a really cool looking bike. It's well put together and it handles really well and it fits everybody. Yeah. Come order from us.